Hello all, hope you all are having a great day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fun Learning with Smita. Here I am with a new video to teach you all how to make a quiz so that all my dear teachers can carry out evaluation even in this online mode during this lockdown period. Should I say that? Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So first step is you have to open your Google Chrome and type in the search bar Quizizz. The spelling goes Quizizz. So in case you want to create a quiz, you will have to click on the second option which says find and create gamified quizzes. Okay, so I've already made an account. I've already created an account in this Quizizz application. If you haven't done it and if you are a first time user, you will have to create an account using your email ID. It's as easy as I'm saying. Once you create an account, you can see the screen in this way. On the left hand side, you have the create option where you will be clicking on quiz. You will have to name your quiz and select the subject, that is business for me, and click on the next option. You have a variety of questions which you can put up in this particular application. Let me just show it to you. Okay, so it's loading and this is how the dashboard looks like. The title of the quiz is over here. In case you want to make it much more interactive and appealing, you can add a quiz image. For now, that's a secondary thing. The primary thing is I will show you how to start framing the questions. So you have a variety of options over here. First, you click on new question and click on multiple choice. Here on the left hand side, you would be typing the question, and on the right hand side is what the student or the viewer can see. So as I'm typing on the left hand side, it's also being shown on the right hand side. So that is how it would be visible to your students. So for this particular question, I want to assign 3 options, and here they have given me 4 options. So I would like to delete the 4th option by delete option. Once you have written the question and given the 3 options, in multiple choice, only one single answer can be chosen. So you will have to give the input to the application as to which is the correct answer. Once you are done with that, you can save the question and move on to the next question. The second type of question is checkbox. In case you want to type a question which would be having more than one answer, maybe 2 or maybe 3, and you want your students to find it out or identify. For example, identify the types of trade, and you give 4 options where 2 are the correct answers. So they will click on 2 of the option. So if you want to give such type of questions, you will have to choose the checkbox. What if you want to not give options? You will choose the fill in the blank. For example, I want to give a question that is the problem. Sorry, I've added some extra stuff. The problem of distance is solved by dash. That's my question. I want my students to write the answer. I would be giving the input to the application. So the correct answer to this particular question is transport. In case you think students would be writing some alternative or synonyms to this particular word, you can give those inputs to the computer over here. So any 3 of this would be assigned or maybe included as the correct answer. If you have only one, then stick to it. In case you want to allot or assign time limit for every question, you can select the time over here. For example, I want to give 20 seconds. I'll select 20 seconds and I'll move on to the next question. Next is poll. If you want to ask questions where you are asking about their opinions, this particular option can be used in secondary section, we can say, or higher secondary, where you ask them, where you pay heed and show the students that you actually care about their opinion. For example, introduction of GST in our country is beneficial. So there is no correct or incorrect answer to this. You just want to know their opinions. So you can click on agree, disagree, whatever you feel so, and you can just remove the extra options. So there is no correct answer which has been asked over here. So they will get a poll sort of a question structure for this particular question, and you can know what your students feel about a particular concept. After this comes the open-ended questions along with objective sort of questions. If the teacher wants to ask an open-ended question, you can choose this particular option where you are typing, for example, what is business? Okay, there's one disadvantage to this particular option in this particular application, that is all open-ended questions would be ungraded. So they would be giving correct as all the answers. So teachers will have to personally look into every student's answers to know whether they have written relevant answers or not. Along with the question, if you want to make the question much more appealing and attractive by adding an image, then you can do so by clicking on this image option, clicking on the upload option, and you can select any file from your computer. Once you are done, you can click on the done option on the right hand side, and a variety of basic details would be asked. So which language is it, for which students it is, and once you are done with that, you can save your quiz, and the quiz gets automatically saved to My Library. Now in My Library you can see a variety of quiz which I have made. As you can see, if you insert image, this is how it looks like. Now what to do if you want to play the quiz in front of the students? You will go to My Library, click on the quiz, click on Start a Live Quiz, Classic, Continue, and this is how the dashboard looks like. How beautiful it is. So you can share a link by clicking on this particular link. You can copy the link and share it with your students on Zoom, Google Meet, Google Classroom, Facebook, wherever you want to do so. They can join this dashboard, join this quiz in order to solve the evaluation questions, or you can ask them to type in their Google Chrome joinmyquiz.com and enter this particular code, which will directly get them to this particular dashboard. Every time the teacher starts this quiz, every time you will get a new code. Minimum 2 participants are required in order to play this quiz. So here we end today's video. So this is how a video on Quizizz looks like. If you have any doubts, you can type it in my comment box. This was one particular video which was asked and recommended and suggested by a lot of my viewers. So hope you have understood as to how to make a quiz on Quizizz application. I would be coming up with many such videos. So if you have liked my video, then please like it, click on that subscribe button, and also comment about your views. Thank you so much.